You've bought yourself an e-bike, and the first time you come to want to oil the chain, you reach for the pedal and you want to make the chain go backwards as normal, and you'll find that it's not connected. So if you grab a hold of this part here and turn it, a whole lot will go backwards as it used to. This is good, but a bit hard to do. So one solution is to make something like this. So it consists of a loop at one end and a knot at the other. So when you've got your bit of rope, the idea for fastening it is to put this knot through this loop. So if you push that through there and pull, it stays connected. And undoing it is as simple as slipping the knot through the loop. And now I'm going to show you how I use this tool. It's quite hard for me to do this and keep my hands out of the way, so bear with me. So the idea is to push the knot through behind the spider, and then to pull it out through the other side. So if you can see that, that's gone through behind. Then we move the pedal down across that arm that holds on the spider, and we put the knot through the loop. Again, trying to keep my hands out of the way. There we go. The knot is through the loop. And now we can turn the chain backwards with the pedal. When we're done, we release the loop from the knot, move the pedal out of the way, and then pull it out from behind the spider. And that's it. As a final enhancement, I added a piece of string to the end. I tied it onto the knot, and this allows it, this makes it more easy to pull the knot through the spider and then the knot through the hole in the end.